jungle.
Yes.
We're having so much fun flying through the trees. Ziplining is almost an obsession in this country, and now we know why.
Oh, we know why.
Yeah.
So sit back and enjoy. It's the first edition of Kit and Nat's Brazilian Adventures. This is a workout in itself.
Yeah.
It's a good workout.
I love it. Heart's pumping.
I can't believe this is right in the
Isn't
city.
this amazing? I mean, we're just right off the highway, but this
And
is
close
like,
to your home.
Yes, my old apartment
Yes.
was right down that way. But we're like in the jungle here.
And
We
you-
might even see monkeys.
Are we gonna see monkeys?
They're coming to us. They want to be
Oh my
friends.
God, you see that jump? Come on down.
Well, since the monkeys aren't coming down to us, we'll go to them. But first, a little stress relief breathing exercise with local adventurer and author of Taking Off to Happiness, Rui Mata.
Now inhale. One more time. Exhale down.
Our nerves calmed, it's time to gear up for our flight through the trees.
Whee!
I
Giant
got you,
wedgie.
I got you.
Woo! Ow! This is a Rio adventure.
I think I have it on wrong. Is it right? I feel like I'm in a baby Bjorn.
It's the Kit Bjorn.
Kit Bjorn.
Come on, little kitty.
Harnesses checked, helmets in place.
We're ready. Pronto.
Here we go. You first.
No place to go but up.
First of many adventures together, girl.
Is that tight enough?
Better be.
Breathe. Exhale.
Go, Nat! Woo! Go, Natalie!
The grace of a bird. Just one problem.
How do I stop this thing? That was so fun!
Kit's turn.
Fly away, kid.
hang on.
Fly away.
Exhale.
She's like a little flying squirrel. Wait, I'm the wrong way. It stops.
Oh my God. Okay, that was fantastic. The whole backwards entry.
Yeah.
Did I say that?
You just did.
The whole.
You just
I got.
did.
I'm like, is someone to turn me around? Like, Natalie, turn me around.
Hey, you
What
entered the
happened?
world that way, girl. You did it twice, and you still came in this way both
I
times.
have a need for speed.